So today we are going to continue same chapter, moment generating function. Okay. So this chapter is very important. Okay. So examples, we are going to do more example. Let X be a geometric distribution find the mean and variance of X using its MGF. MGF means moment generating function. We are to calculate mean and variance of random variable X using MGF. Okay. The PMF, the PMF of X geometric distribution का PMF is given by, how it is given? Given by Pxk is equal to Pxk. How it is given? Qk to the power k minus 1 into P. For k is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. The MGF of X is k goes to 1 to infinity e to the power t k q k to the power k minus 1 into p. Because we know that mxt is equal to expectation of e to the power tx. Because this is a discrete random variable, so it can be written like this. Okay. So p we can take common. E to the power tk qk minus 1. Okay. We can multiply by q and divide by q. 1 upon q we can take common. Okay. So this is geometric series. Q e to the power t upon 1 minus q e to the power t. Proof for 0 q e to the power t क्या होना चाहिए 1 से. q से q कैंसिल हो गया. For after solving it, so you have this much. So what you got? mxt is p e to the power t upon 1 minus q e to the power t. 4. We can take log both sides. So we will get, taking log both sides, we get t log 1 upon q. Okay. So now We know that m dash का डेरिवेटिव एट जीरो इज एक्चुअली ई एक्स, दैट इज मीन, मीन और एक्सपेक्टेशन सेम थिंग. So, so what is first derivative of with respect to t? So 1 minus q e to the power t का square. P will remain as it is because p is constant with respect to of derivative of e to the power t. 1 minus q e to the power t minus derivative. Okay, now 1 minus q e to the power t. Sorry. So first e to the power t derivative of 1 minus q e to the power t का क्या आएगा? Minus now derivative of e to the power t. So what we got? P. पहले पहले इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा ये वाला. पहले पहले नंबरेटर का डेरिवेटिव होता है और माइनस करके ये. So after solving it, what you will get? E to the power t into q e to the power t plus e to the power t minus e to the power t q e to the power t 1 minus q e to the power t. ये कैंसिल हो गया. Okay. So what is now? What is mean? Mean is ex. Ex को हम mean बोलते हैं. So what is this? At zero. So what is mean? T is equal to zero रख दो इसमें. वन माइनस क्यू क्या होता है? पी. So this implies mean is 1 upon p. Okay, please note up to this. And we have already checked that in geometric distribution is actually mean and expectation is 1 upon p. Here we find out by MGF, moment generating function. Okay. So what is EX square? M double dash T. So what is M double dash T? You can calculate this. M double dash T actually is it 1 plus Q e to the power T upon, okay, 1 minus Q e to the power T का क्यूब. So E x square क्या हो जाएगा? It is actually 0 at 0, evaluated at 0. So what is this? T की जगह 0 रख दो. So what will you get? After solving it, what you will get? P. Okay. P 1 plus 1 plus Q upon 1 minus Q का क्यूब. Okay. So P 1 plus Q upon 1 minus Q is actually P. Okay. So P cube, so 1 plus Q upon P square, ये x स्क्वायर. तो हमें निकालना है वेरिएंस. Variance is actually Vx, that is given by Ex square, Ex का square. So I got 1 plus Q upon P square is this, and 1 upon P is Ex. So 1 plus Q upon P square minus 1 upon P square. So P square 1 plus Q upon P square. So variance we got Q upon P square. Okay. Please note up to this. Next, I am doing one theorem. Let the random variable x has mgf mxt. Let y is equal to alpha x plus beta. Then the mgf of y is given by myt is equal to e to the power beta t mx alpha t. Okay. So mgf of y is given by this way. Let's see its proof. What is myt? Myt is defined by this way. E T beta we can write an E alpha Tx. Okay. So T beta is a constant. It will come out. What is this? This is mx alpha T. Okay. So what we got? So it is proved. Okay. Next theorem, let x and y be two random variable with MGF, MXT and respectively. Okay. If MXT is equal to YT for all value of t, then x and y have the same probability distribution. Okay, we are not going to prove this theorem because this theorem is difficult at this moment. Okay, so we will use this result only. Okay, so what is the meaning of this theorem actually? The MGF uniquely uniquely determines the probability distribution of random variable. है कि नहीं? अगर दो रैंडम वेरिएबल के एमजीएफ इक्वल हो तो उनका प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन और प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन सेम होता है हमेशा. ओके, और अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन दो के सेम हो तो एमजीएफ भी सेम ही होगा. है कि नहीं? तो एग्जाम्पल, सपोज दैट x is normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square. Let y is equal to alpha x plus beta, then y is also normally distributed. It means it is also normal distribution. Let's see its proof. Solution. So x is normal distribution, and yesterday we have find out what is the MGF of this. You see that we got this mu t plus sigma square t square by 2. Okay. Hence myt is equal to, by the above result, e to the power beta into mx alpha t. We have just calculated this. So put this value e to the power beta in place of, I am to calculate this in place of t, you put here alpha t. So e to the power mu t into sigma square alpha t का square by 2 e to the power beta t. Okay. Here also we have to put e to the power mu alpha t. Okay, so separate we can separate this. Okay, what will be this? E to the power beta plus mu t e to the power sigma square alpha square t square by 2. So what will be this? E to the power beta plus mu alpha t plus alpha sigma का square t square by 2. Okay, let's say it 1. Okay, but ये क्या होता है? ये भी तो ये किसका एमजीएफ होता है? सो बाय थ्योरम सो इक्वेशन 1 denotes equation 1 denotes mgf of normal distribution. ओके, ये किसका होता है? सो विद ये एमजीएफ है. I calculate MGF. This is MGF of normal distribution with mu is equal to with mean with with expectation क्या है यहाँ पे? बीटा प्लस म्यू अल्फा. वेरिएंस क्या है? वेरिएंस क्या है? अल्फा सिग्मा स्क्वायर. ओके, सो बाय थ्योरम बाय लास्ट थ्योरम what we got by last theorem, y is actually normal distribution with beta plus mu alpha sigma का square. So this is proved. So this implies y is also normally distributed. ओके, क्योंकि एमजीएफ मिल गया. एमजीएफ क्या है? वो नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का है और वो भी वाई का एमजीएफ है, तो इसका मतलब वाई नॉर्मल हुआ, ऐसे नहीं? प्लीज नोट अप टू दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. ओके, suppose that x and y are independent random variables. Let z is equal to x plus y. Let mxt y myt and mzt be the mgfs of x, y, and z respectively. Then mzt is actually mxt myt. Okay, so let's see its proof. Its proof is simple. X and y are independent. So this implies that e to the power tx and e to the power ty are also independent. Because e to the power ty, this is also function of x, e to the power ty is function. If x, y are independent, these things are also independent. Okay. Now what is mzt? It is e to the power tz. X plus y. If we have two independent random variable, the expectation of their product is nothing but the product of expectation. So it will be e to the power e t x into e t y. Okay. What is this? This is mxt myt. Okay. So we got mzt is equal to mxt myt. Okay. So it is proved. Okay. Please note up to this.